Hello students, how are you all? Well, I'm back and today we are going to discuss the lecture 4 of current and electricity. Okay, so today we will discuss about the resistance, but before that we have to learn what is Ohm's law. Okay, now Ohm's law. What is current? We know that due to flow of electrons per unit time the current generates. So think again, if we increase the number of electrons in that circuit per unit time, then the current will increase also. Similarly, what is potential difference? Actually, the potential difference is actually denotes that how many electrons will come per second. So when you are increasing the potential difference, that means the number of flow of electron is actually increasing. Also, that increasing the current itself, and that is the relation between them, which is stated by Ohm's law. Right now, the current flowing through a circuit directly proportional to the potential difference applied on it. So what we learn, if we increase the potential difference, the current will also increase, and that is the working formula or the relation formula, as you can say. Now move on to the resistance. So let's move on. Alright, so right now we just learned that potential difference is directly proportional to current in a circuit, and that is by Ohm's law. Okay, so if you want to make it equal, then you need a constant term R. So that is why I am taking a constant term R, which is known as a resistance. Alright, so if we rearrange this equation, we can get V2 minus V1 divided by I by cross multiplication. So I am placing 1 ampere in the place of I. Let's see what it will happen. So then the R, value of R is becoming equal with the potential difference. So from here or from this concept we can say that due to unit current flow in a circuit, the potential difference is known as the resistance, or the potential difference value is equal to the resistance. That is the definition of that. Alright, so SI unit of that. Before that, we just learned that potential difference by current, that is equal to resistance. Now we can severally put their SI units according to the given figure. So volt per ampere according to this concept. Volt per ampere, that is the SI unit of resistance. But we can also say volt per ampere, that is equal to ohm. We use this symbol, that is capital Omega, look like this, instead of ohm. But if someone wants to write it in the words, then that is also possible. They can write it in words as well. So that is the SI unit of the resistance. Now moving to a sum, that is, find the resistance of the circuit having current flow of 5 ampere and the potential difference is given also, that is 25 volt. So we know the Ohm's law. Ab Ohm's law hai to kya gam hai. So by applying that one, we can say that R equal to the potential difference divided by the current. So if you put those values as it is given, so that means that is 25 by 5, which will give you 5 volt per ampere, that is 5 ohm. So the value of resistance is 5 ohm. That's all for today, and thanks for your time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए कभी अलविदा ना कहना.